Hi everyone, welcome to Naresh Technologies. This is Srinivas. In this session we are going to discuss one OCJP bit with a solution. So this is the example. It's a OCJP bit on a loops, the nested loops, nested while loop. Here it is. So they have given in the bit, and some options also they have given. Right? If you are good at the nested while loop, right? So first try yourself, right, and check with the options, right, and then test with this video. Okay. So here is the first. So directly logic we have written inside the test, and so generally is the execution starts from the main function. So directly if you want to place inside the main, you can place everything inside the main. But here it is the logic is important. Logic. So this is the logic. Logic, how it executes. How it executes is the logic. Right, so because we know that in Java everything is a class inside, execution starts from the main in the main function, right. So two local variables are there, I and j, and initializes with 0 and 0, and here it is a nested while loop, and here it is a post increment operators, we are using modify operators, and inside the inner while loop we didn't write any logic, but it will execute as long as the condition is true, it will repeat, and finally after execution of a while loop, so once as a while loop execution completed, the control come out and it will print the final ij values. So what are the final ij values? Some options they have given and test. So first of all it's a post increment. So post increment means what is a simple reason, first it will substitute the value and then the value increased by 1, but here it is, it will check the condition with the substituted value only, not the increased value. So condition 0 is less than or equals to condition true, come inside, and j value also, first it will substitute and then the value increases, so by 1, this value is a 1. Now so means what, it will execute only empty body, and again it will repeat loop as long as the condition is true, it will repeat that loop. Next here it will substitute 1, the value become 2, condition true, again it will repeat. Here it will substitute 2, value become 3, like that it will go. Next it will substitute 3, value become 4. Next it will substitute 4, value become 5. Now observe, 4 is less than or equals to 4, condition true, because equality condition is there. So once again it will repeat. So it will substitute 5, but the value becomes 6. Now 5 is less than or equals to 4, condition has failed. So it terminates, come out, and here it is outer while loop executes. Outer while loop. In the outer while loop is the I value already 1, it will substitute 1, the value become 2. This control move inside. Again it should check the condition, it will not terminate without checking the condition. So j plus plus, it will substitute j value 6, value becomes 7, but condition false. So outer loop executes, it will substitute 2, value become 3. So 2 is less than or equals to 3, condition true, come inside, it will substitute j value 7, but the value become 8. And again outer loop repeats, it will substitute 3, so value become 4. So control move inside, it will substitute 8, but the value become 9. And again outer loop repeats, it will substitute 4, value become 5. But now look at this, 4 is less than or equals to 3, condition has failed. So whenever outer condition has failed, the loop will be terminated. So the control come out and it will print I value and j value. So what is that I value by that time is a 5, and what is the j value is 9. I value is 5, j value is 9. So the output of this code is a C, is a 5 and 9. So this is how the while loop executes, and as well as how as a modify operators like a post increment operators, how it executes, right. So this is the flow and is the output. Hope you understood. For more videos please subscribe to Naresh IT channel. Thank you.